This is getting delusional. They never develop New Year errors.
Maybe it's just a hallucination. Neglection.
Guys, I just found out it's December 32nd, 2024.
What?
What?
Something is extremely wrong. If 2024 lasts, this means the world can end up in serious. Guys, the ball is about to explode.
This is CNN Breaking News.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his designated representatives will shortly be delivering a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Please listen to this message. This is very important for the public. At 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the New York Times Square bomb malfunctioned and caused several damages across Times Square. And not only that, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has confirmed that it is not January 1st, 2025, it's December 32nd, 2024. This means the world will soon end within an hour. O residents of the world, gather with your loved ones and brace for your final days on Earth. As NASA can't do nothing to stop the world from ending, this concludes the activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless us all, and may God bless the United States of America.